We are here at the X-Yachts Marina Minde in the south of Denmark. It was previously awarded Marina of the Year, and it's simply a very nice marina. It's also the center of our X-Yachts Charter fleet and a very fine location for our sea trials with clients from around the world. We have 3 new boats in the charter fleet, all fully equipped. Our most sold model at the moment is the 4.3, and in the charter fleet we have it in the 3-cabin, 2-head version. Next model in the charter fleet is the X 4.0. It was winner of the European Yacht of the Year when it was launched, and yes, it's the smallest of the charter boats, but it's got plenty of space for a full family in a charter. In this version it has 2 cabins and 1 head. The biggest yacht in our charter fleet is the 4.6. It's a large boat, but like the 2 others, it can easily be handled by a couple. This version has 3 cabins, 2 heads. It's fully equipped for charter, and like the 2 others, it has got high quality Elstrom sails. The X-Yachts Charter is very popular. We have guests from all over the world coming to charter boats. And how far can you go in a week? Well, basically all around Denmark. But why go that far? Because you have got a true paradise within a few hours of sailing from the X-Yachts Marina Minde.